How to add music to Facebook status? Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then click on What's on Your Mind box at the top of your newsfeed. Now look at the available option and select Music. Now you will see a search bar and a list of trending songs. You can browse the list or use the search bar at the top and search for the specific song you want to share. Once you find the right music, click on it. After selecting the song, you can choose the specific part of the song by dragging the slider. Finally, hit Done at the top right corner. Additionally, you can add a caption or even other effects if you like. Finally, hit Post at the top right, and your music status will be live on Facebook. And just like that, you now know how to add music to Facebook status.